In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Roblox cannot purchase items. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check your Roblox server status. Go to status.roblox.com and then you want to simply go ahead and see if the server is under maintenance. If that is not the case, then you want to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Try restarting your router or even switch your networks. If that is not the case, then you might need to simply go ahead and check your account, because your account must be 13 plus to make purchases. Verify your email address and check if your account is restricted. Make sure that your payment method is valid. Check your card details, expiry date, and billing address as well. Once you simply go ahead and do that, ensure you have a sufficient balance. If that is not the case, what you want to do is simply make sure that you have enough Robux. Some items require more Robux than you have. It is as simple as that. If that doesn't work, you might need to simply go ahead and clear your cache and cookies on your browser, or you might need to even try a different device or browser. If you use any kind of VPN, make sure that is turned off, and parental controls may also block your purchase. Ask your parents for reviewing the settings. I hope this video clarifies everything for